Good morning. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is a new trading day. The market is about to open, and in this video, we're gonna close some positions because today is Friday, October 16th, and we're gonna again close a position and roll it up, roll it forward, maybe 3-4 weeks into the future. Stay tuned and watch this episode. Welcome back. So here is my trusty spreadsheets. I keep track of all my options data in this pivot table. I put the raw data here. I pivot it by different holdings and months. I can see my open positions. And so today I want to look at Visa. I was thinking about closing this. This is 14 days left, and I'm good on both sides. As you can see, it's $19 away, and on the other side, it's $23 away. So this could expire worthless, and I probably captured 50 or 60 or 70% of the gains already. So I was thinking about, let's push this out to 42 days using this options expiration. So let's work on that now. So we're in the portfolio. Let's take a look at it. So it's this one here. First thing I want to do is let's check how much it costs to close this. I selected all 4 legs, hit the close button, and we can see $35. Okay, so I want to see how much I can collect if I created a options, something similar in the future. So we can easily see that. Instead of closing it, I want to see what the price is going forward. So I can do something like, well, the opposite of closing it is we can change all this forward. Using the same, and then I just have to flip them all opposite. So the opposite of a sell to close would be, right? Buy to open. Buy to close would be sell to open. Buy to close would be sell to open. And sell to close would be buy to open, if I got that right. So here you go here. So this looks right. I want to play around with, this is a $5. It's not a lot of credit. You're actually making, what I was hoping to get is about $1.40 here. What I may do is we'll push it a little bit wider, and then we'll go, oh, this is a problem. If we do something like this, that's a $10 wide. So while the percentages are still not good, if you go $10 wide, you expect to collect $3.33 using the tasty trade rule. But one thing I want to show you is the odds of this happening are really small. So let me show you that. Power ETrade, we're going to go to Visa. Let's look at the odds. We'll select 42 days out. And what we were looking at was doing something like a 235, 225. That's a 10% odd. Because we're so far out of the money, with a 10% chance of being wrong on this side, And on the other side, I think we went with 180. So 180 is also a 14% chance on the other side. So you can see that. And so because you're going farther out of the money, you're going to get a smaller premium. So by increasing the width, you get a little bit more credit because most of the time it's going to stay between the two strike price. I plugged in the numbers here, and what I want to do is I'll probably lower this side a bit and then lower it closer to the strike price, and then on the downside I think I want to move this further away from the current market price. So here's what I end up doing. Here's my original one. I may leave it open, but here's a new one I'm doing. So I plugged in the numbers. I did lower it 45 width. So I'll collect. So let's see what we can get. I'm going to always start off a little bit higher than I normally do and see if I can get this. Buying power. You see that? So your max risk is $1,000 because, and then they subtract the proceeds from this, and that's what they hold. So I think I'm gonna put this up to 2. Collect my. We'll try it. We'll put this order in. And let's see if it goes. And there you go. It went across already. So let's see that in the portfolio view. And here you go. The new ones are here. So, right, 220 is where you lose on the upside, and on the downside is 175. I did 2 contracts, collected $255. What I may do is, I am so far out of the money on these, I do not have any pressure to close these today. And so what I'm going to do is just leave it. There's nothing I need to do. I have enough buying powers to, and I'll be okay. Nothing is due today that's going to force me to get assigned or anything will be put to me. So for right now, I think we're going to leave that. And let's just take a quick look at the portfolio. This is going to expire worthless. It looks like we're safe. If you worry about the exposure, you can always roll this to next week. I think we'll see. I'll monitor it later today. This one looks okay. Nothing to do here. This one, I'm gonna wait for some time to pass. We still got a couple weeks. Everything else, this looks okay. My play, Dave and Buster's. I'm playing both sides of it, so I don't really care. I'm not bullish or bearish. I don't really care, right? We're just trying to make enough from the option premium in case this thing goes to 0. I am not going to play airlines and cruise liners right now, but at some point I will. SPY, I already have SPY, which is far enough out, so I think I'm good there. And I don't think I need to open another one. So I'm going to wait on this one. Let's not close. SPY, we're good. And you saw we just created the Visa. So I think we're good. So for this portfolio, we're just going to sit back and wait. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like what you see, watching me do some trades on ETrade, make sure you like and follow me. In the future, we're definitely going to do a lot more trades, and you can see what I do. This is all real data, no paper trading here. I definitely hold some losers in here, and again, I'm not here to day trade stocks. I'm just here to buy some stocks, collect some dividends, and write some options against it. Okay, anyway, have a good day, and I'll see you next time.